Hello guys, welcome to my stories. And today we are going to Japan. Where's the aeroplane? We finally made it. The journey was very easy and smooth. Where's the castle? I go from here. Did you know that Japan has many beautiful castles that were built hundreds of years ago? These castles were often the home of the powerful samurai warriors and their families. One interesting fact about Japanese castles is that they were often built on top of the hills or mountains to help protect them from other attackers. The castles were also surrounded by moats, large ditches filled with water, and walls to further protect them. Did you know that many traditional houses in Japan are built using a special type of wood called cypress? Cypress wood is known for being strong and durable, and it is also resistant to insects. This makes it a popular choice for building homes in Japan. Another interesting fact about Japanese houses is that they often have a small garden called a Zen garden inside or outside of the house. These gardens are designed to be peaceful and calming, and they often feature rocks, sands, and plants. Feeling a bit hungry now. So how about we go to some Japanese restaurant? Here are some fun facts about Japanese restaurant. In Japan, it is common for people to eat sushi with their hands rather than with chopsticks or a fork. Sushi is type of a Japanese food that is made with vinaigrette rice, raw fish, and vegetables. Many Japanese restaurants have a special room called a Tatami room, where people can sit on the floor and eat their food, just like this one. Japanese restaurants often serve green tea with their meals. Green tea is a type of a tea that is made from the leaves of the tea plant and is very popular in Japan. In Japan, it is customary to say itadakimasu before eating, which means I humbly receive this food. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I've got to say bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please do subscribe to watch more of my videos. And like this video so other people can watch it too. See you till next time. Bye.